Cut and peel 4 medium onions. Cut onions into quarters. Slice the onions. Discard of the rubbish. Eyes burning. Peel and grind 1 garlic. Peel them to get you a nice smooth garlic. Again, discard of the rubbish. Scrape the skin off a piece of ginger and cut into small pieces. You can use the leftovers, keep the leftovers, the skin, you can make ginger tea with it. Put your pieces of garlic and ginger into a bowl with some water and liquidize and grind. Get 4 potatoes about this size and peel them to remove the skin. Peel all the 4 potatoes.
Then you wash it.
To get rid of all the darker bits like this, just push your knife in and wiggle the knife around, cutting them out. Discard of all the skin again, of all the rubbish. Get rid of all the skin. You can keep hold of all the skin you've accumulated and use it as compost later. Mix some milk with some white vinegar in a cup and allow it to settle for about 5 minutes to make a substitute for yogurt. I find this works better than actual yogurt. Cut your 4 potatoes into quarters. Add some salt to the potatoes, mix it, and some food colouring. Put in microwave on high for 8 minutes. Cut a whole chicken into pieces. Mix a small amount of salt with the chicken. Saute your chicken on a high heat quickly just to brown it. Once slightly browned, transfer into a large pot. Fry the potatoes for a few minutes. Again, transfer into a pot. Fry some onions in a mixture of oil and ghee to enhance the flavour. Marinate your chicken with your garlic and your ginger. Add 3/4 of your fried onion. Leave the other quarter to get very brown to go onto the top of the rice. Cut coriander and mint and add to your mixture. Mix about 4½ tablespoons of biryani powder with the yogurt you prepared earlier. Pour into your mixture. Now you are starting to get the smell of the biryani. Add some more salt if required and marinate for 10 minutes. Transfer the mixture into a rice cooker. Boil about 6 cups of water. Add 1 stick of cinnamon, some cloves and some elaichi to your boiling water. Wash 4 cups of rice and add to the boiling water. Break open a nutmeg and add some saffron to boiling water. Grain a little bit of your nutmeg to sprinkle on top of rice. Boil the rice in your water mixture for 5 minutes and drain rice. Add some of the grated nutmeg to your rice and the rest of it into your marinated mixture. Layer the rice onto your marinated mixture in stages. Add your potatoes from earlier to the pot, pushing them inside. Add the remainder of your fried onions on top. Put some more coriander, chopped coriander on top for some flavour. Add the saffron, fried onions and chopped coriander on top and leave to cook for about 3/4 of an hour, about 45 minutes. Serve the biryani with a salad and tomato chutney. If you want to know how to make these items, just tell me in the comments and I'll make a video.